Chapter 27, SVISION Inventory, Creating Multiple Warehouses. To optimize inventory management in large facilities or organizations with multiple locations, the system allows the creation of multiple warehouses. This feature is ideal for companies with several industrial sites or geographically distributed locations that want to centralize operations within a single database and a unified catalog. To register a new location, go to the Inventory module and select Warehouses. In the main catalog, you can create a new storage location, for example, North Zone Warehouse. Click the Add button. In the new window, make sure to complete the following fields. Warehouse, name of the facility. Description, reason for creation or a brief identifier. Location, physical address or coordinates. Manager, the person responsible for inventory custody. Click on the Spare Parts tab. Once the warehouse is created, the system allows you to link the specific products that will be managed at that location. At this point, you can define control parameters for each item. Set the minimum, optimal, and maximum levels. Configure the procurement days and the exact location within the shelves. Remember that these values can also be adjusted later from the general spare parts catalog. Click Accept. To complete the setup, we recommend two options for registering your inventory. Direct entry, enter current stock levels along with their unit cost to start with accurate balances immediately. Post adjustment, you can create the warehouse with zero balance and later formalize inventory intake through an entries and exits process. This option is recommended to generate an official document supporting the physical receipt of goods. Click Accept. That's it. Your multi-warehouse structure is now ready to operate, ensuring precise control and efficient distribution of spare parts across any location. Bulk inventory import from a spreadsheet. You have an extensive list of spare parts and want to avoid manual entry. The system offers an efficient alternative, importing from an external data source. This option is ideal for setting up a new warehouse. In this example, we will use an Excel file. Before starting, it is very important to properly prepare your Excel file. For the system to process the information without errors, the sheet must be flat and unformatted. Avoid merged cells, colors, borders, or complex formulas. A clean file ensures a successful import. The first step in the system is to create the warehouse that will receive the data. Assign the warehouse name, description, and location. Make sure to leave the spare parts list empty, as the content will be generated automatically from your file. Once the warehouse is defined, select the option Import from External Data Source and choose your Excel file. The wizard will guide you through field mapping, which consists of linking your Excel columns with the system fields, such as part number, description, and unit of measure, costs, stock levels, and location, maximum, minimum, and optimal, levels classifications. After mapping the data, simply click Finish. You will see the information uploaded in bulk within seconds. That's it. Your inventory has been successfully imported, and the warehouse is now ready for transactions.